Good morning, everyone. So I'm about to be on my way to work, and I wanted to do this video about how to make your nail polish last. I've had a huge issue with this over the years, and I know many people have. I would joke with my husband saying that my nails were nail polish resistant because I would seriously paint my nails in the morning, and by the time we were going to some sort of event, because I don't paint my nails very often. Mostly because they would chip all the time. But I did find this product that makes even like the cheapest nail polish, like the Wet n Wild, like 92-cent nail polish, or like the 50-cent Sally's nail polish, lasts for days, even weeks. So with like very little chipping or close to none. Obviously towards the end you're going to get chipping, but it's this Sally Hansen's Double Duty base and top coat. So I'm going to paint my right hand using the base and top coat as they instruct on here, and then on my left hand I'm going to use this Wet n Wild just cheapy nail polish. So I work in a salon, and obviously my hands go through a lot throughout the day. So we're going to see the comparison at the end of the day, how the Wet n Wild worked on my left hand, and if the Double Duty helped my nail polish to stay on my hands. So I'll check in later on in the day and let you guys know. First coat of the Double Duty on my right hand. And then I went ahead and just did one coat of the Wet n Wild on this hand. I'm going to do 2 coats of the Wet n Wild on each hand, but then the base and top coat of the Double Duty on my right hand. Alright, here is the finished right hand. It's a little sloppy. Trying to do it in the car is not as easy as it seems. But that's okay, because I always carry these things with me. It's the little LA Colors nail polish pads. They're fantastic, and they smell good. They don't smell like acetone, and you can throw them in your purse, use them on road trips. They don't bother people. And then here's the regular Wet n Wild side. So I'll clean up the nail polish once it dries. And but yeah, so the right hand has the Double Duty on it. Left hand, just the regular polish. 2 coats of polish on each hand. Alright, see y'all in a check-in. Hey everyone, okay, so I'm off of work, and both sides actually held up pretty well today. I didn't do a lot of shampoos. This is the left hand with only the 2 Wet n Wild coats on it. And then this is my right hand with the stay. Okay, I can never be still enough to have my nails dry, and since I didn't have my quick dry nail spray with me, of course I smudged it, but it's not chipped, it's smudged. So yeah, they're still holding up too. So I'm just gonna keep on wearing them out and see which one chips first. Yeah, so I'll keep on checking in and see how it goes. Alright, bye. Alright, we're back for the final update. So it took a lot longer for me to get this last video going because the nail polish on both hands lasted a few days, and then the weekend came and I got busy. But so to prove my point, I'm going to show you both nails, obviously. To keep in mind, I'm right-handed, so of course my right hand gets used a lot more, and the right hand is the one that had the Double Duty on it with the base and top coat of the nail polish laster, and then the left hand had just the regular Wet n Wild nail polish. So I'm going to flip you around. Alright, here's the left hand, pretty chipped up. Which, honestly, this has lasted longer than I expected. Now with my right hand, it's still chipped. You know, it's not perfect, obviously. But when you compare both hands, this is the one with the double duty. And I'm right-handed, and I'm a hairstylist, so I'm using my hands a lot. And then the left hand without it. So obviously it makes a difference. Using the double duty versus just the regular nail polish on its own. And just to show you again. But yeah, so there's the wear test, and the price point on it, I mean, most places it's under $4, so, you know, 4 and change, depending on where you buy it. I'll link a couple prices below where you can buy it if you're interested, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like it and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.